From a well shuffled deck of cards, two cards are drawn with replacement. If x represents number of times a is coming, then value of p is equal to x is equal to 1 plus p of x is equal to 2 is option first 25 by 169, option second 24 by 169, option third 49 by 169, and option fourth 23rd by 169. As we know that it is a question of random variable, so let the values of x be let the possibilities of random variable be denoted by x. Therefore the possible values of x is 0, 1 or 2. That is the number of aces that we have to apprehend in this question. Now we will take into consideration the case where x is obtained x is either 1 or both the cards are x. So the possibility of getting 1x or other non-x and the other way around, that is non-A's and I's. So we will take into account of both the cases. Therefore the probability will come out to be 48 by 52, that is the case for non-A's, into 4 by 52, that is the case for A's. And as there are two possible combination, A's and non-A's or non-A's or A's, as we can see right here, so multiply it by 2 and we will obtain 24 by 169. And the possibility of obtaining A's along with another A's, that is 4 by 52 into 4 by 52, that is 1 upon 169. Now in order to solve this question, we will add both these values, and which gives out the answer 25 by 169. Therefore our answer is part 1.